From the heartlands of the Congo to the vibrant streets of Johannesburg and the innovation hubs of Nairobi, Africa is making its mark in space. The continent is stepping onto the global stage, shaping conversations on space technology as a catalyst for socio-economic development. Yet, Africa's engagement with space is not new. From the first African satellite launch in 1998, Africa's footprint in space has grown rapidly, with over 60 African satellites now orbiting the Earth. More than 20 countries have established national space programs, driving advancements in satellite communications, Earth observation, navigation, satellite manufacturing, astronomy, and space science. Today, Africa's space ecosystem is more active than ever, with a growing workforce of over 25,000 and a network of research institutions, engineers, and industry leaders working on groundbreaking projects. As space technology becomes an integral tool for addressing real-world challenges, Africa is positioning itself as a key player in using space for socio-economic development. With the adoption of the African Space Policy and Strategy in 2016, Africa's space ambitions took on a unified vision, one rooted in collaboration, innovation, and economic growth. This milestone set the stage for the creation of the African Space Agency, which was officially instituted in January 2023 through an agreement between the African Union Commission and the Egyptian government. A year later, at the 37th Ordinary Session of the African Union Assembly, history was made once again as the first African Space Council was elected, marking a new era of governance and strategic direction for the continent's space endeavors. Now, Africa's space economy stands on the brink of transformation. Industry projections estimate a market valuation of $22.64 billion within the next year, fueled by a thriving new space sector. With 327 commercial companies and over 15,000 professionals at the forefront of satellite technology, AI-driven analytics, and commercial space services, Africa is no longer just participating in the global space economy, but is actively shaping it. As Africa deepens its role in the global space economy, its space agencies and commercial players are turning vision into impact, deploying satellite technologies across key sectors. Earth observation applications are driving innovative agriculture, environmental management, and climate change, from real-time crop monitoring to forest fire assessment, supporting food security, disaster response, and sustainability efforts. Similarly, satellite connectivity is expanding access to critical services in remote areas, from healthcare and education to banking and mining, while satellite navigation is improving logistics and mobility across the continent. Alongside these applications, Africa is scaling its in-house capabilities in rocket launch and satellite manufacturing, with more countries launching indigenously built satellites and African new space companies in the manufacturing space competing in the global market. Africa positions itself as not just a user, but a contributor to global space innovation. Today, the African Space Agency stands at the helm of Africa's collective space ambitions, driving regional collaboration and positioning the continent as a key player in global space governance. AfSA is shaping Africa's future in space, ensuring that advancements in technology, policy, and exploration benefit all Africans. And as it becomes fully operational, the industry undergoes a fundamental shift from a resource-dependent standpoint to a knowledge-driven one, where digital technologies and cutting-edge research drive progress. This marks a new era, one where Africa is not just participating in the space economy, but actively shaping it, opening doors for investment, innovation, and boundless possibilities.